Okay, so our Enduro coach, Mr. Philip Leong, is going to show us. See, this is the correct attire to wear when you are doing Enduro.
Knee guard.
Okay, knee guard.
Knee guard, shin guard. Okay. MX boots.
Yes, correct.
Proper MX gloves.
Okay.
MX helmet. Okay.
Yes.
With visor, with everything. Okay.
Okay. He's going to show. Record ma. Okay, slowly, slowly. Slowly. If you not confident, you just off and then play the clutch. No, slowly like this. You don't fully. You use one or two finger.
Try walk.
Okay. You can try walk also.
Walk anything, can just throw the bike down. Back wheel also lock already.
Use the front and back. You don't really so vigorous. You use a little bit. You see, like this. A bit play like this. For me, I use one finger lah. You use maybe two or three. I hate this kind of terrain one. Even muddy terrain is better than this. Because it's like you chew all the way down.
Taking video.
Of course, this
trolley method.
Downhill technique, Enduro downhill technique. Very jiak. You can slowly follow the rut. Can. You follow the rut and then you go in.
Oh, after that can.
You have to go down. So you parking there first.
Yeah. Okay, bro, you go and take your bike.
Okay, can. Slowly.
Stone.
I'm not confident you do it like this lah. Because it's even better if you stand to guide it down. If let's say I sit on the bike, I cannot do off. I have to engine on. If I sit on bike lah. This depends on person. If I want to do like this, I have to step down the bike.
So little. What's the top speed now?
I think maybe 20 km per hour. It's only these two slope only lah. It's scary. The rest of the part is okay already. I got one. Wait. I remove the. Can remove. Okay already. Very good. Because I just on and then let it to be clear the rut. See, finish.